યાર રોમા, આ કોવિડમાંથી છુટકારો મળે ને એટલે સૌથી પહેલું કામ હું એક કરવાનો છું, ઇન્ડિયા આવવાનો છું અને તારે મને બધી જગ્યાએ ફરાવવાનો છે. યાર કેટલા બધા વેરિએશન છે ફૂડમાં, હવે તો આવવું જ પડશે.
ડેફિનેટલી જયમીન, પણ ટ્રીટ તારા તરફથી.
એટલે કેમ? મમ્મીએ અતિથિ દેવો ભવ શીખવાડ્યું નથી કે શું?
अतिथि देवो भव तो सबने सीखा है, बट मुझे ना बहुत ज्यादा डॉलर स्पेंड करने की इच्छा हो रही है, वो भी तेरे. बहु कमाई लीधा, थोड़ा वापरो.
ઠીક છે, ચલ ફિક્સ કરીએ આપણે ટ્રીટ મારા તરફથી. બટ આગળ આપણો પ્લાન શું છે આજનો? હવે ક્યાં જવાના છીએ આપણે?
सो गुजराती खाने की खासियत ही अलग होती है. कितने सारे डिशेस जो विदेश से आए उनको भी हम गुजराती टच दे करके खाते हैं. सो जयमीन, તું કે કેટલા પ્રકારની ખીચડી તે સાંભળી છે અને ખાધી છે?
એમાં પ્રકાર ના હોય યાર, ખીચડી ઇઝ ખીચડી.
So સારું, આજે ત્યાં જ જઈએ. So let's go to this top hot destination. Hi everyone. So we are here at the next destination, Urban Khichdi. So खिचड़ी के बारे में हमने बहुत सी कहानियां सुनी है. ऐसा भी सुना है खिचड़ी तो खिचड़ी થાય છે. But let's see, we have different types of khichdi here, and this is Gujarat Virtual Food Festival organized by one and only Friends of Gujarat, Canada. So let's get in. So we are finally here at our top most hot destination, Urban Khichdi. The name itself suggests it's all about khichdi.
Yes.
So बचपन से लेके मम्मी ने हमेशा से कहा है जब भी बीमार होती हूँ रोमा खिचड़ी खा ले. So खिचड़ी के साथ बहुत ही ज्यादा बोरिंग इमेज जुड़ा हुआ है और लोग खिचड़ी से दूर जाने के लिए बाहर खाते हैं. So why Urban Khichdi?
Now, the first, I'll answer your question in point wise. Why khichdi? Khichdi is an uncertified national dish of India or probably the world, because khichdi is basically a kind of one pot meal, you know, where you put everything in a pot together and it's cooked together. So in India we call it khichdi, in England people call it kedigri, in Egypt they call it koshari, you have paya. So these are all different types of khichdis. So yes, that is the reason khichdi, because it unites everybody. आज आप गुजरात जाओ, महाराष्ट्र जाओ, जम्मू जाओ, कश्मीर जाओ, पंजाब जाओ, हरियाणा जाओ, किसी के भी घर चले जाओ, आपको एक यूनिक रेसिपी ऑफ खिचड़ी वहाँ से मिलेगी. सो खिचड़ी इज समथिंग दैट irrespective of where you are from, you are a Punjabi, you are a South Indian, you are a Bengali, you are a Gujarati, you can connect with it. So, and yes, why Urban Khichdi? Because like you said, it always carried a boring badge that खिचड़ी is supposed to be boring, ये बीमारों का खाना है, ये हम लोग नहीं खा सकते, हमें नहीं खाना चाहिए. But that's a very wrong notion, because khichdi is the most nutritious meal, the most wholesome meal, the most balanced meal you can consume. So that is the reason we had to make the khichdi unboring, and that's when we came up with Urban Khichdi.
That's amazing. That's an amazing story I have literally ever heard. So you know, which type of age group are you catering? Because खिचड़ी बोलते हैं कि सिर्फ senior citizens का खाना है. So which type of age group exactly are you catering here?
We do not have any specific age group that we target to. We initially started this brand to cater to people who are staying away from home. You know, we have working couples or young executives or students who are staying away from their parents, don't get home food. So the first thing was, it has to be nutritious, it has to be wholesome, it has to be a balanced meal. At the same time, it cannot be heavy on your pocket, because I would want people to eat here almost every day. And we are getting consumers, we have those guests who dine with us about 5 times a week. So we do not have any specific target audience, but anybody who misses home food and anybody who loves to eat something nutritious and wholesome, whether it's a teenager, whether it's a young executive, a working couple, or senior citizens, or even kids for that matter. We have something for every palate. We have your basic khichdis, we have fusion khichdis, we have international fusions, we have Mexican variants, we have Italian variants as well. So it is something that we have something to cater one and all.
So the audience from Canada who's watching currently can relate the concept of away from home so well. And they are so excited to know which dish exactly are you offering us today.
Hare pyaz ki lesuni khichdi, like I said, it's one of our top seller.
I can feel the smell.
Spring onion and garlic.
We are so excited, right, fam?
Thank you. So it is said that खिचड़ी के 4 यार होते हैं, पापड़, घी, आचार और दही. So khichdi is made in lots of ghee already. So
Here it is. It smells delicious. I've never had a feeling to try a khichdi, but right now I am having that feeling.
I would love to change your notion on that.
Yes. I'm sure everyone is gonna change their notions after tasting this.
So with khichdi, we serve curd. Instead of papad, regular papad, we have semi-fried soya chips, which are very rich in protein and have good fats in them. And we have two varieties of pickle served on the table, which is one is spicy and the other is sweet. So all of these are your perfect accompaniments to your khichdi.
That's
You may
amazing.
start.
Sure. It smells amazing. Mm. It has the perfect blend of garlic, onion. It's spicy. I'm loving it. We would really love to know कैसे इतनी tasty खिचड़ी बनाई जा सकती है.
Finish your meal and we'll take you right into the kitchen. and
Oh my
teach
god,
you.
are you serious? That's amazing. So Canadians and especially Gujaratis, आप सबके लिए काफी सारे tips लेकर आ रहे हैं. We will go right back into the kitchen to learn how this khichdi is made. So yes, let's get inside. So here we are finally at the kitchen of Urban Khichdi.
We'll be making Hare Pyaz ki Lehsuni Khichdi. That is one of our highest selling dishes. It primarily consists of spring onion and garlic, which are the most sought after flavors in India. And it helps cleanse your body, it helps cleanse your blood, it fights cancer. So it's one of the most sought after dish. And we'll learn how to make it right away.
It also tastes well.
Oh yes, absolutely.
It's a rare thing to, have a healthy plus tasty food.
Yes. All our khichdis are made in pure cow ghee. So Chef Rahul will show us how do we make the Hare Pyaz ki khichdi. So unlike cooking at home in restaurant, we have to keep certain things handy and ready. So like I said, freshly chopped garlic is being sauteed in desi ghee with a sprinkle of green chilies. We saute them while you can smell the flavors.
We can definitely smell the flavor. I feel like having it again.
So this is a basic gravy that we keep ready. This consists of oil. It consists of little oil, lots of ghee. It has freshly chopped onions and tomatoes, and it is thoroughly cooked. So, and it enhances. It's a catalyst to different flavors.
So that's the gravy which you put in every khichdi.
It's a kind of your basic तड़का. जैसे घर पे हम प्याज और onion पहले saute करते हैं, and it takes a lot of time. So that we try and save that time. Now we have two basic masalas which are our own signature recipes. It consists of a variety of different spices in a specific set ratio. And this is a basic mixture of your basic dal and rice cooked together and kept ready for all the tadkas.
This is amazing.
A sprinkle of lots of spring onion. This goes burnt garlic. Is dry roasted chopped garlic that gives you a little bit of smoky flavor.
Yeah, smoky flavor. We are a fan of a smoky flavor anyway.
And then there's ghee.
Ghee.
Again. Yes.
So ghee makes it stand out on the crowd.
Yes, again, like cow ghee is pretty healthy for you. It is full of good cholesterol.
Contains good fat.
Yes. Yes.
That's amazing. And here
So
we have.
We are ready with Hare Pyaz ki Lehsuni Khichdi.
So it was an amazing experience to learn different recipes. Right now, I just want to know, we are so excited to know और क्या-क्या बन सकता है.
Like I said earlier, that we wanted to remove the boring tag from khichdi. So we have introduced something that India has never witnessed before. We are serving a couple of khichdi sizzlers in all of our restaurants, and you would have heard of variety of sizzlers, a Chinese sizzler, a Punjabi sizzler, a tandoori sizzler. But we have something that people are loving it, people are enjoying it, and are coming here specially to have it.
Let me guess, a khichdi sizzler?
Yes.
Oh my god. We
So-
think and you make.
Yes, so we have a couple of khichdi sizzlers. One is an Indian and the other is global. So people who love the Indian flavors, like the one that we just tried, Hare Pyaz ki Lehsuni Khichdi. So we have an Indian khichdi sizzlers for them. And then people who are very fascinated by the international flavors, like the Italian flavors or Mexican flavors, we have a global khichdi sizzler for them.
That's so nice. You're keeping in mind multiple cultures,
Yes.
multiple tastes, and not only the Indian cuisines, but also keeping in mind the international tastes.
Yes, of course. And like now, people are well traveled. People want to experiment with the food, and best thing that we always aim for is that once you come to us, you would have a variety of flavors, a variety of options, but at the same time, they'll all be nutritious, they'll all be healthy, and they'll all be pocket friendly at the same time.
So I can't wait to have the sizzler. I feel like I want to have it right away.
Your wish is our command, and we shall have the sizzler very soon.
Are you
Here it
sure?
comes. Here it comes.
And here it is.
Add that additional crunch.
These are the best accompanist one can have with the sizzler. I'm so excited. So this one is the spiciest.
Yes, that's your Szechuan crock pot.
Okay. This one is a little bit of tangy with nachos.
It's your Mexican crock pot.
You have named it so well. International names.
And that's your healthier version of pasta with basmati rice in it.
Okay. So it has rice in it.
Yes.
That's amazing. Can we look at the dish? It's full of nutrition. Okay. So let's try it like this. Oh my god, I can't believe the taste. It has the perfect tangy flavor with a perfect amount of spices. And this one is the creamiest one, right?
Yes.
I can't wait to know how did you make this. So can we know the recipe?
Sure. We'll hop into the kitchen right away.
So guys, are you excited to know how this khichdi sizzler is made? It sounds amazing, plus it tastes amazing as well. So I am pretty much excited to know how it is made. Let's get into the kitchen. So what about a khichdi sizzler?
Like I said, we had to give khichdi a facelift. We wanted to make it unboring. So we have introduced two types of sizzlers. One is an Indian khichdi sizzler and one is a global khichdi sizzler. So we'll be making a global khichdi sizzler right away. It consists of our version of a Mexican crock pot, which is a Mexican one-pot meal, a Szechuan crock pot, and cheesy veggie basmati risotto. So instead of arborio rice, we are making authentic Italian in Hindustani basmati chawal.
It sounds so mouth-watering to me.
Sure.
Can we get started?
Yes, absolutely. So all three khichdi's will be made one by one and will be laid down on the sizzler plate. Correct.
So you're using an olive oil?
Yes, because Indian recipes, ghee is a very good accompaniment and it relates well. So for all the international variants, all the fusion variants, we tend to use olive oil.
Olive oil is quite healthy as well.
Oh yes. All the ingredients in our kitchen is something that we can consume on a daily basis. We have our meals at the restaurant.
So khichdi sizzler sounds exciting to me. Let's see how it tastes.
First, we are making the cheesy veggie risotto. So we have sauteed some vegetables and a little white sauce. We make it with cheddar cheese. And instead of arborio, this would have basmati rice.
That's something I never thought of, and you guys are making it. Oh my god, this seems lovely to me. Plus, you never have ingredients which we cannot consume on a daily basis, right? It's all
Everything is very
nutritious.
home-like. Everything
Yeah.
is very home-like.
So this generation always craves for different tastes. So you have kept every taste in your mind.
Yes, and we have taken off refined flour from the menu. So maida is something that if you consume on a daily basis, it is not healthy. You won't get to realize it now, but probably a few years down the line, it chokes you. Now we'll move on to the Mexican crock pot. So we
Okay.
are done. From Italy, we'll be traveling down to Mexico.
Right.
This will be a little tangy, a little spicy, and very flavorful.
So we are keeping different countries' tastes.
Yes.
This is the secret ingredient.
This is the cheese
The same
sauce.
cheese.
This is your tomato sauce.
The Szechuan sauce.
No, this is tomato sauce.
Just the tangy, to give the tangy flavor.
Give the tang.
So you keep on experimenting and improvising the dishes and everything.
Every day.
That's amazing. So 2 countries are already ready.
Yeah.
Which one is the third?
The Szechuan region of China. So this will be an absolute spicy delight. It will be a little dry. It will not be as saucy as the other two. But that is something that you love to cleanse your palate. And when it's raining and you're in a mood for something spicy. So
It's like a balanced diet, you know, all creamy, all tangy. Now we'll have all spicy.
and all the vegetables are high on fiber, so it
Nutrition.
like cleanses you. Yeah.
Of course. So every ingredient in here is so nutritious and full of protein.
Yes, absolutely.
Plus we have different types of tastes. It's all creamy, it's all tangy, and then we'll have
Spicy.
spicy.
So with rice, you always need something crunchy to go along. So we have French fries and some garlic bread to accompany a global khichdi sizzle.
Those will be a good accompanist.
Sprinkle of cheese.
And cheese is the king of such dishes. So yeah, let's try. Let's see how the French fries go well with the sizzler.
Some crushed
And then
nachos.
some nachos.
Yeah.
Right.
મળાવો તમારા પરિવારને અમારા પરિવાર સાથે. વિદ્યા ફૂડ્સ લાવ્યું છે એ જ આપણા દેશનો સ્વાદ તમારી રસોઈમાં. એ જ આપની પસંદના મસાલા અને સ્વાદથી ભરપૂર ચટણીઓ જે આપની રસોઈમાં 4 ચાંદ લગાવી દે. ઘણી બધી વેરાયટીઝ અને ઘણી બધી ફ્લેવર્સ. વિદ્યા ફૂડ્સ આપનો નવો મિત્ર રસોઈમાં હવે આપના નજીકના ગ્રોસરી સ્ટોર્સમાં ઉપલબ્ધ.